everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Dred Effects review. We're looking at a portable airbrush station that I made in one of the custom build videos at the beginning of the sort of the channel when I was starting out and putting videos up. I did a little video on this and it got really poor reviews, and I'm thinking it's a great bit of kit. It really is. I've used it in the 2 years since I've done it and sort of built it, and it's been absolutely blinding. It's come in really handy. You can put all your kit in it. It's mobile. You can fit it in the boot of your car with ease, no dramas. It's just perfect. So I'll give you a little pan round of this again, just so you can get a good look at it. I'll talk you through all the bits, how I did it. Let's have a look. So that is my portable airbrush station. It's on wheels. It sits about 19 inches high with a foam padded seat to the top. Now these are mechanics chairs where you can sit on the top and put your tools in it, but I've adapted it for an airbrush station. So to the front you can put masking tapes, rolls of masking tape laid down like that, paper towel, couple of bottles, water, airbrush cleaner, and then you've got on the top you've got like a little rack system here. I suppose for mechanics you put tools in, but I've mounted 2 cable clips to the sides. Now what I do with them is you get your airbrushes and you can just sit them like that either side, nice and easy. So you can put your 2 brushes like that when you're not using them. So that was the added feature. I done put 2 of them on. To the sides you've got metal sides, so I'm using like the Dred Effects tip tool. It's all magnetic. The spanners for breaking stuff down. I've got the pocket graphics by Scott McKay with all your little shields in, magnetic to the side so you don't lose it. And then you've got drawers on this as well. Now these drawers open out like that and you can store your airbrush paints in. I've got 16 bottles of golden down one side, cleaning bits, mixing pots, rubber gloves. You can put whatever you want in the drawers that you carry for when you go mobile. When you close these drawers up, they're nice and soft on the hinges. They just push and then that seals in so it don't ping out if it was in the boot of your car. The bit to the front I use for if I've got some colours mixed up. Them little pots fit perfect in there, so you can have mixed paint in there. It's not going to spill, so nice little handy bit there for that. The opposite drawer this side, I've got 2 airbrushes, air hose for the compressor, and that again just fits and shuts so it don't open. To the back I've mounted a little Iwata Studio Jet on the back. Nice and simple, just put a bolt bracket through there and into the back, and then I used an old-fashioned speaker bracket that has the adjustable arms, bolted the main bracket to the steel frame, adjusted the arm out, and then just put 2 cable ties round there, and that's mounted the compressor to the back nice and easy. So it is a great bit of kit, guys, and as I say, I've used this on jobs. There is a video on the channel where I took this out and done a bit of wall art at my wife's work, and it was absolutely brilliant because it's all to hand. It was really comfortable to sit on, and you've got all your bits in one little cube, guys. It's not very big, it really isn't. This is probably just over a foot wide by about 20 inches that way and 19 inches off the ground high. So dead easy, about 10 kilos fully loaded up with all the bits that I use. Simple to lift up. You just put one hand on there, your other hand here, lift it up, and it's in the boot of your car and you're away. You've got all your bits for airbrushing all contained in one little cube. So that's the little update review, guys, on the mobile airbrush station that I built. I'll drop links in the description. You'll see these on eBay if you just type in mechanics stool, and then loads of these will pop up. There's loads of different colours. There's ones with more drawers in. You can just pick what you want and adapt it to what you want, and it's a great bit of kit. So I hope you've enjoyed this little update video. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I'll see you again. Cheers, guys.